Find equation of the parabola whose focus is 1, 1 and directrix is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you visualize this, where is the directrix? If I consider the axis in this form, let us assume this is the axis and this line x is equal to minus 1, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 1. So this line is passing through minus 1 comma minus 1 of this type. 0 comma minus 1 and minus 1 comma 0. And focus is 1, 1. This is the directrix and focus is 1, 1. So now you can see there must be some axis and my parabola must be something of this type because focus must be inside the parabola. So parabola of this will be of this type. I don't know whether parabola will pass through this origin or not. So just I am drawing here because we are going to calculate, not measure it. Okay, let us consider this is the parabola. Focus will be somewhere here. This can be here for this vertex. Vertex can be here anywhere. But general shape will be of this type. So you can visualize one thing from here that this is not standard y square is equal to 4ax or x square is equal to 4ay, that kind of parabola. This is the focus S 1, 1. This is my directrix given x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. So standard form now you can use. P is any point you can take on the parabola. Suppose P is any point on the parabola, then PS must be equal to PM. Distance of any point on the parabola from the focus must be equal to distance of any point on the parabola from the directrix. That means PS is equal to PM. These distances, so I am taking in mod because I know E is equal to 1 for parabola. So PS is equal to PM. What is P? P is a moving point. So P point I will take as x comma y. So PS is under root of x minus 1 square plus y minus 1 square using the distance formula. This must be equal to distance between 2 points. This must be equal to distance of this line from this point. So we have the formula ax1 plus by1 plus c upon under root a square plus b square, distance of a line from a point. So distance of this line from this point will be x plus y plus 1 upon under root of a square, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is 1. This we will square. So we will get x minus 1 square plus y minus 1 square is equal to x plus y plus 1 whole square, and this I can multiply 2 here. This we can solve, that will give the answer. So you can solve this. 2 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 1 2 is equal to x square plus y square plus 1 plus a plus b plus c whole square plus 2xy plus 2x plus 2y plus 1. So cancel the part x square 2x square. So you will get x square plus y square minus 2xy minus 4x minus 4y. 2 will cancel is equal to 0. This is the equation of parabola. So by observing this, now you can say that this parabola will pass through origin. One more important point, just by observing the equation, how we can to some extent identify that it is parabola. If you see here second degree terms in the equation of parabola, this is very important for tip for your objective questions. In the equation of parabola, if you observe the second degree terms, second degree means power is 2. Here second degree term, this is second degree term, this is also second degree term. So second degree terms must be always in perfect square shape. That means outside perfect square they cannot exist. Then only it may represent equation of parabola. So if they are not in perfect square form, we can outrightly reject that. It is cannot be parabola. So this is the equation of parabola whose focus and directrix is given.